Just waiting for the volume to start. Hopefully it doesn't take all the sounds. So just continuing on from the original video from our cat flu cat. Gloves on, normally you have an apron on. I don't have one on because we can't get any because of COVID. So this kitten, it was found on the street as a stray. So its physical environment would have influenced in this kitten getting the cat flu, because it would have contracted it from a sick cat, also a stray, probably, more than likely. Testing indicators, the cat seems pretty good, but it has gunky eyes. Alfie, you can't see it. It has gunky eyes, it is sneezing. They are indicators that it is cat flu. It seems okay, it is a little bit flat. Its colours are good, heart rate, everything else is all good. So we'll just treat it for the cat flu. So we're giving it anti-inflammatories and antibiotics. So I'll just give that to it now. Sit him in his cage. So we're doing that orally. Go. And leave him in there. And he's isolated in his cage.